So sit back. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Carlo Gechukome, an Enugu-based fashion designer. So on today's video, I'll be showing you people how I drafted this collar. So are you new to my channel? You're highly welcome. I really appreciate your presence here. So on this channel, I do mostly DIYs. So if it's a topic that interests you, this channel is your best shot. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also leave your thoughts in the comments below. To all my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you and all that you've been doing, your kind words and your shares. Don't stop doing that, and never you forget to leave your notification bell on so you'd be the first to be notified whenever I post any video. Without much say, I will have to jump right into the video so that welcome back guys. The name of the collar I'll be drafting is round collar, and the collar is for the shirt you already saw the pattern drafting video. So starting, I marked out 8 inches horizontally on my pattern paper, then marked out 1 inch down from the edge of this paper horizontally too. Then I ruled a line horizontally and vertically simultaneously. Then marked out 3.5 inches on the horizontal line. And 2 inches at this point downwards. On the vertical line, I marked out 5 inches and then marked out 1 inch from it. Then connected the line starting from the 3 inches on the horizontal line, making an arc down to the 4 inches on the vertical line. Now, following the arc line, mark out 1 inch from end to end, depending on how large you want your collar to be. I hope you're understanding what I am doing. And please, at any point of confusion, leave your questions in the comment section and I will gladly provide you with answers. After connecting the markings, measure your neck size. Mine is 16 inches, which is 8 inches when divided by 2. And then cut it out. So now the collar pattern is ready. So next, I will trace out the pattern on this gum stair in readiness to be stuck on a fabric. And then cut it out. So here is the collar and it is ready to be stuck on a fabric. What do you think about this video? I hope it is insightful and informative. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below and also share. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and bye.